How to install autoclicker on iOS devices. Well, an autoclicker app on an iPhone is designed to automate repetitive taps on the screen. It is commonly used for tasks that require consistent and frequent screen interactions. These apps can be helpful in various situations like gaming, where users may need to tap repeatedly to achieve certain goals or gather resources. In such cases, an autoclicker can save time and prevent the physical strain of tapping the screen repeatedly. So let's see how you can install it on your device. First of all, head over to your App Store. In the search bar, search for autoclicker. Well, tons of different applications will be visible to you, but you need to head over to this one. So in this page, you can see the option where it says Get. Click on it. And then tap on Install. Once done, it will start to install it on your device. You have to wait for a while for it to complete. And there you go, the autoclicker app has been successfully installed on your iOS device. Now you can simply tap on Open and use the app. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can install or download autoclicker on iOS device. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this very helpful. We'll see you in the next one.